Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and I'm here to introduce you to the 6-drawer storage and supply case. This case is 13 by 13. It's got 6 drawers, and you'll see down this side there are 3 4 by 6 drawers, and this side there are 3 2 by 12 drawers. So long skinny stuff, short fat stuff, we've got it all covered in the 6-drawer 12 by 12 storage and supply case. So like all of the 12 by 12s, you got a big label pocket here, you've got a side handle, you've got top carry handles, and on the closure flap at the top you've got another pocket. So if you're storing them flat instead of vertically, you can label them that way as well. Yes, they do fit in your IKEA Calyx or your IKEA Expedit. It's a tight squeeze to get them in there because of the side trim, but they fit perfectly. You're gonna love them for that. Okay, so not very exciting to see it empty. Okay, so let's take a look at it, loaded up with some paper crafting supplies. This is all of my embossing powders, my embossing heat tool, and I've still got room for embellishment paste, for daubers, for brushes down that middle. And you can see what I did. I put one of the 6 drawers over here and then 2 of the skinny ones over here. So you can mix them up however you need. Maybe you're gonna divide this into 2 different categories of craft supplies. But the middle drawers on this pull out the same way as the 4-drawer, right? We've linked them together with our little notch and tab so that you can pull out all 3 drawers at one time, bring them out to your workspace, literally work out of them if you want to, as if there's some sort of tray, which is perfect for this type of thing as well. And then easy to slide them right back in to your 6-drawer storage and supply case, close them up, store them. Now, as you know, we've got those double labels, so when I close it up, I can label everything on the front, or I can store it vertically and label things down the side. So a perfect solution for paper crafting supplies. Also an ideal solution for sewing supplies, knitting supplies. So in this, I've got seam turners in this, right? Those are something hard to store. The outsides separate from the insides and you got to track them down. Knitting needles. This is going to fit most sizes of knitting needles, but it is only 12 inches long, so your 14s are not going to fit in there. Sorry about that, my knitting friends. Long, skinny things like zippers fit perfectly. And then, of course, all those different tools and supplies. In this bottom tray, I have got bias tape, rickrack, elastic, blanket binding. All of those things fit perfectly within this 4 by 6 tray in the 6-drawer 12 by 12 storage and supply case. So easy to close up, easy to travel with. Now, I know your question, can I take this in my Lois tote or my Cindy tote? Absolutely, you can fit up to 4 12 by 12 storage and supply cases in the Lois or in the Cindy tote. You're gonna love it, great for storage at home and great for traveling. Now, I do wanna mention, this comes in a total of 3 configurations. You've got the 6-drawer, the 4-drawer, and the 2-drawer storage and supply case, and all the drawers are mix and match. So if you've got all 3 of them, you can definitely configure the drawers to be perfect for your craft supplies. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon.